In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark themes in Sprout Social. If you've been looking to give your Sprout Social interface a sleek, modern look, or if you simply want to reduce eye strain, switching to a dark theme might be the perfect solution for you. Let's walk through the steps to make this change together. First, you'll need to start by accessing your account and settings area. Don't worry if you're not sure where this is. Just look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll either see your avatar or, if you haven't uploaded one, it might show your initials instead. Go ahead and click right there. Once you do, you'll see a menu pop up. You're going to want to select Settings from this menu. After clicking on Settings, you'll be directed to a new area that holds all your configurations for Sprout Social. This is where you can tailor the app to better suit your needs and preferences. Now, in this section, our focus will be on the personal settings, so head over there. Within the personal settings, keep an eye out for the option labeled as App Theme. This is where the magic happens. The App Theme option is typically a drop-down menu that allows you to choose different appearance settings for your Sprout Social interface. Now, onto the exciting part. Within this drop-down, you'll see several options. To enable the dark theme, you'll want to select Dark from this list. Choosing this option will prepare the interface for a dark mode experience, which is not only stylish but also helps minimize glare, making it easier on your eyes during those long work sessions. Once you've selected Dark, remember, there's a very important step you don't want to miss. Hit that Save button. It's usually located nearby, ensuring that your changes are stored and applied. Without saving, all the adjustments you've made will not take effect, and you'll have to repeat the steps. After saving, you should notice the Sprout Social interface immediately transition into dark mode. This transformation should apply consistently throughout the entire app, providing a uniform look as you navigate through your tasks. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the dark theme for your Sprout Social account. Now, not only does your interface look chic and modern, but it also provides a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during nighttime or in dim light environments. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you enjoy the new look of your Sprout Social workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials like this one.